In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and get started with Notion, a powerful productivity tool that can organize your thoughts, projects, and more. Whether you're a seasoned user or just starting out, this guide will walk you through the steps of creating your page, all while exploring some neat features along the way. So, let's dive in. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and search for Notion. Once you're on the Notion website, go ahead and click on it to enter the home page. If you don't already have an account, you'll want to sign up, but today we're focusing on those who already have an account set up. So, next, you'll want to locate and click the Login button to access your workspace. Enter your credentials, and voila! You're ready to create something wonderful. Now that you're logged in, let's create a new page. You'll want to find the button labeled New Page on the left-hand side of your interface. Clicking this will open up a fresh canvas for you to start jotting down ideas, tracking your goals, or whatever else you might have in mind. Notion is fantastic because it allows you to shape your workspace based on what you need. So, feel free to unleash your creativity here. Next, it's time to add some content to your page. Click directly into your new page and begin typing any text or content you want. This initial text forms the basis of your new document, allowing you to build a unique structure. Whether it's a task list, a personal diary, or even the first draft of your next novel, the choice is yours. After populating your page with content, an essential step is customization. In the top right corner of the page, you'll notice 3 little dots. Clicking these dots opens up a menu of options linked to your page settings. Within this menu, you'll find choices that will help make your page more visually appealing and personalized to your preferences. One of the fun parts of using Notion is that you can explore various font options to enhance readability and style. Spend some time playing around with these fonts. Find a style that suits you best and makes your page feel uniquely yours. You can try several different fonts until you find the perfect fit that aligns with your style or project requirements. Finally, once you've decided on the font that you like most, apply it to your page, standing back to admire your work. This process emphasizes Notion's flexibility, adapting to your needs, whether for personal projects or team collaborations. And that's it. You now know how to create and customize a page in Notion. This guide just scratches the surface, so keep exploring all the features Notion offers. Happy organizing, and remember that productivity is just a click away.